Welcome, question 35. Let's have a look at this. Given that x plus y equal 1 and 3x plus 3y equals to 5, we have to find the value of the x squared plus 4xy plus 3y squared. Meaning we need to know what the x and y stand for, then we substitute into this expression. Remember, we have x plus y equals 1 and x plus 3y equals to what? 5. This is our first equation. The second equation. For simultaneous equation, I am going to use elimination. I can see the coefficient of x are the same. So if I subtract equation 2 minus equation 1, I will eliminate the x. So this means that subtraction gives you this 3y minus y will give you 2y equals to 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Fast forward, your y is going to be what? 2. So this must also be put into any of the equations. So I'm picking equation 1. X plus y, which is 2, equals to 1. Then x is going to be, and that will give us what? Negative 1. So therefore, x is negative 1 and y is what? 2. Not the only answer we need. We need to find x squared, 4xy, 3y squared. Mean whenever I see x, I put what? 1. Negative 1, sorry. Let me put it here. Negative 1 all squared plus 4 into bracket negative 1 into bracket 2 plus 3y, which is now going to be what? 2 what? Squared. So I should be having the square of negative 1 times 1 like this. Give you 1. This is going to be negative times this, negative 8. Then plus, this is going to be 4 times this, 12. I still have negative 7 plus 12. And that will give you what? 5. So the value I am looking for that expression is going to be 5 for option B. And I'm sure you understood. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for 36.